Hey everyone, it's Timothy with Cars in 4K. I'm here in the Aston Martin Roadster V12 and I'm just gonna do a walk around video in it. The lightweight handles for getting in and out of the Aston Martin Roadster, but you can see it has a nice like carbon fiber and rack mounted steering column shifters. It has carbon fiber, the Mercedes parts here, and it seems like it's touch screen or kind of touch as well. And then this is kind of like what you see in the Vantage as well. It is cool. I'm not really sure what this is. Maybe it's goggles when you don't have the helmet on, so that's pretty cool. And I think this is how you adjust the, no actually you adjust the seats here, but don't really know what this is. It's still kind of cool style. Has nice style there, and you can see, and I'll show you around the outside as well. Okay.